I buy all my guns from a guy called T-Rex. He's a small arms dealer. Hi, welcome to Pictures, Noise and Words. I'm Hedgie, and this is Landmarks, though they don't seem to be able to spell. Song called Creature. This came to me via the PR company. Actually, that's not quite true. What actually happened was I plucked this out of YouTube land, and then just after that, it got recommended to me, not recommended, pushed upon me by the PR company. So here we are. Landmarks. Let's go to what the PR company says, because that's always fun. It says they're a French metalcore quintet. French metalcore. Okay. French metalcore quintet. Landmarks return with their brand new single, Creature. There's only a single as far as I can tell. This is not on an album. There might be an album coming, but there's no mention of it. So right now, it's just a single. The band will embark on a UK/European headline tour later this year. After dedicating time to honing their craft, Landmarks emerged with what they confidently call their best ever result. That's an interesting phrase. Wonder if that didn't translate quite right from French. It's our best ever result. Creature is more than a song. It's an experience that encapsulates the essence of the band's evolution and their relentless pursuit of musical excellence. See, some of the core bands are putting out really good stuff. Some of them are still mired in that horrible just noise that core was at the turn of the century. But some of them are really pushing pushing the musical boundaries, as they say. So anyway, the single confirms their commitment to pushing boundaries. I genuinely had not read that. Oh well, I agree with a PR company for once. And delivers a unique, immersive experience for their fans. Well, after that, we should jump right in. It would help if I had this on the right thing, and now I have. Are you ready? This is 6 minutes long. 6 minutes long core song. It's the mystery machine there. I'm getting definite Steven Spielberg vibes. Don't panic. It's found Narnia.
Yeah. Yeah. Et c'est l'odeur de l'enfer, un peu de souffre et de douleur qui s'émane et qui ternit mon âme et ma couleur. Je peux la sentir brûler tout mon corps, je veux la faire sortir, faire d'elle mon erreur. J'ai croisé tant de démons différents, j'ai bravé tant de vagues et d'océans, mais j'ai toujours ce monstre en moi qui dans le néant me crie I am the creator. Don't wanna face it, no one in the back. Don't wanna cover my fear. Don't wanna face it, no one in the back. Don't wanna face this traitor. This thing inside me is getting out of control. I've tried to hold it in, but I can't anymore. I want it. It's the worst way, it's the best for real, is it the worst of me? You continue to lock to your eyes, but the one did the best of me. I want it all. I need to get back my freedom. I'll fight against the whole kingdom. It's dripping into my system, feeling the pain and I've lost my rhythm. All these lies only feed the pain. All these lies only feed the pain. 'Cause crawling in the dark. Everything with you is falling down. The night suppresses the light. Looking for a reason I won't find. And I turn into this creature. Don't wanna face it, no one in the back. Don't wanna cope with my fear. Don't wanna face it, no one in the back. Don't wanna face this creature. It's a world made of silence and cold. I hear the calling and it shatters my soul. You and I ain't supposed to be real. I no longer feel, 'cause you took everything. Nowhere to ease the pain, guided by fear. Guided by fear. Crawling in the dark. Everything with you is falling down. The night suppresses the light. Looking for a reason I won't find. And I turn into this creature.
Crikey. Crikey, mate. Wow. I said core band with a 6-minute song, but it wasn't, was it? So that makes sense. It was like 4. Yeah, that's 4. That's definitely 4. So Core Park or Linking Core, not a criticism. I think that was great. I think that was really interesting. The video's fantastic, right? I mean, that's a lot of effort. A lot of effort. So yeah, I hope they get their money back in sales. I mean, that is because that was totally mesmerizing. But apart from that, so put the video to one side. It's quite hard sometimes to detach one thing from another. It starts off with the sort of the French rap, and I thought, and I knew the French, you see, so I thought, oh right, we're getting a song in French, okay. And then it went English for the rest of the song when the song kicks in hard, and it totally worked, didn't it? It just totally worked. I'd listen to that. So you've got that core sound verse, and then you've got the Linkin Park chorus. No offense, but that's just what it immediately made me think of, and it made me think of the really powerful early Linkin Park, which is, again, whenever I say Linkin Park, it sounds a little bit like an insult to me because I'm not a big Linkin Park fan, but they did put out some very, very good stuff, and this has that feel to me of the really good stuff that when Linkin Park were doing really good stuff, like way back, like Crawling, you know, that kind of stuff that you just go, wow, that's powerful. And that's the word I'd probably want to use. Then maybe that should be the word on the thumbnail. Powerful. If it isn't, that's because I just forgot. By the time I come around to editing this and putting that, whatever word goes on the thumbnail, if it doesn't say powerful and it says Linkin Core instead or something, that's because I just forgot. That's totally listenable, and I think it will go down a bomb live, and I can imagine the audience singing along to that. That's a real sort of welcome slap in the chops, that one, isn't it? It's a real, well, I mean, good job, Landmarks. You still can't spell. It's a joke, people, it's a joke. Good job, really good job. That's just so entertaining. It's only a single at the moment, as I mentioned. I'm sure there's an album somewhere along the way, but you know, you generate momentum, don't you? Put out a single, put out another single. Some people can do that 8 times and then put them all that together and call it an album. Great stuff. Yeah, there you go. Creature by Landmarks. That's quite a thing. And I suspect it's going to blow up on the internet if it hasn't already. I don't really watch channels like mine, but maybe I suspect this is going to blow up because it's just, that's an event, I think. Let me know what you think, everyone. See you soon. Bye bye.